So here's how to change language on Gemini AI. First of all, you need to open up your browser. In this case, I'm using Safari. Then head over to gemini.google.com. Once you're in the interface, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account. You will then be taken to this page. Select Personal Info from the top. After that, from this page, scroll down to the very bottom. Then, tap on Language from the options. From here, you will get to see the preferred language option, which is now set to English. Tap on the edit icon, and then you need to put in your primary language. Now, over here, you can scroll through the options, or you can type in and search for your desired language. After that, from the results, just tap on your preferred language. You can also set the country for your specified language. After that, tap on Save on the bottom. And as you can see, the language for your Google account has now been changed. Now, let's head over to the Gemini tab that we previously opened. Once Gemini opens, you will get to see the language has changed over here as well. All the text here on Gemini will now be in the language that you selected. And that is exactly how to change language on Gemini AI.